right now, I will cook some Brownstew chicken
Woyoy.
with carrot dumpling.
This is a Mama Sue special, you know. Carrot dumpling
And
beetroot and carrot.
Carrot and ginger.
Ginger. Healthy stuff. Yeah, man. So this one was requested by Kick It with Catty. Kick It with Catty. Big up yourself. You don't know, loyal subscriber. And people, if you're watching for the first time, don't click off of the video, you know. Hold that dial and make sure you like, share, subscribe, and Mama Sue what?
Hit that little notification bell. Bing!
Peeps, you don't know, night a fall, and we just go boom, bang, 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 and just do what we have to do, you see? Yeah. So I'm sure you want to go on over here, sir. So as Mama Sue said a while ago, she's going to make some Brownstew chicken. And you don't know, one of our subscribers, Kick It with Catty, says she wants to see the Brownstew chicken. You see me I say? And on top of that, Mama Sue is going to do some beetroot and carrot and ginger juice and carrot dumpling. With
a piece of pumpkin.
With a piece of pumpkin.
White yam.
Piece of white yam.
Sweet
potato. Corn. What yellow yam there?
And a piece of yellow yam.
And also banana.
Banana.
Yeah, man.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man. Definitely this is a wild and versatile.
Yes, peeps.
And people, tell me why it go wild and versatile. Because it's Mama Sue style. Yes, peeps. So, as usual, you know Mama Sue thing already. Mama Sue keep the fire blazing. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. See the peeps. Quick and fast. And peeps, now you see how we come up with that one here. Mama Sue keep the fire blazing. Mama Sue fire them no normal peeps. Quick and fast. Look there. Yeah. That a blazing right there. That is blazing. Yeah, man, I'm blazing that for sure. Yeah, I tell you. So you know the real Jamaican country people, we know how to make fire blaze. Original Mama Sue and the crew. Cooking for me and cooking for you. Yeah, peeps. And you don't know, you know. It's just food, fun, and vibes. Yeah, man. So, just do the right thing now. Yeah, man. Just like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So you don't know. Once you upload the video, them, you don't know you get notified. Yeah, man. If you're watching for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please consider to subscribe, consider to like, to share, and to comment. You will definitely enjoy this channel. And trust me, even though you not get none of the food sweet, and we can arrange something so you get some of the real authentic Jamaican Mama Sue food. This a one you go wild and versatile. Mama Sue style. Yes, peeps, so right about now, Mama Sue and knead up the carrot dumpling quick and fast, because you don't know bad light a come, night a fall. So, yeah, man, quick and fast, you know. When you need it up, Mama Sue, just show them carrot dumpling. This one definitely a go wild and versatile. Yeah, man.
Carrot dumpling.
Carrot dumpling. Wild and versatile. I like it.
Color.
I like it. I like it.
Nutritious, man.
Yeah, mama, so let me take a picture of it. Cause this is wild and versatile. And mama so stylish. Yes.
Yes, Steve, here I have some ginger. The real organic ginger. And some garlic. Or 3 pegs of garlic. Some pimento grain.
And peeps, I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, tear down one coconut tree a while ago. And whole heap of coconut, you know. You know I must see honey coconut and milk coconut.
Only 2.
See there? So right now, let me show you. Me and Papito. And Papito I got chance. I want to play Papito. Your eye? And
Yes,
Papito I got chop out some coconut and smoke in my mind. Papito.
Yes,
And
so I
cut
put
coconut, okay?
I put some Maggi seasoning, some all-purpose, little cayenne pepper, and onion, sweet pepper, and escallion, they call spring onion. And then I'm going to put a little browning.
Don't forget the
Like. And the browning that I'm using is Caribbean Sunshine Jamaican browning. I said browning. Browning. Authentic. Jamaican browning. Authentic. So I wanna go wine and versatile. Wild and versatile.
oh. Mama so me go sugar that. Remove that I go use that jug there. Let me give some light. See it there? Show them the hold on, let me show them the chicken. Especially kick it with catty. Kind of give her a rundown how you prepare it and season it up.
Yes,
What you think I like that, so kick it with catty, one of our loyal subscriber did it from day one. Big up all of the other subscriber them. Enough respect for the support, you don't know. You see me I say so Mama so tell kick it with catty or you kind of prepare up the chicken. Just a little quick rundown, you know.
Yes, I cut up the chicken, a whole chicken, very small, like this. And then I use some browning.
Yeah.
Some garlic.
I think if you don't have
pegs of
browning,
garlic.
if you don't have access to browning, I don't know where you're located. You can use a soy sauce, right?
Yes, you can use
You can
soy
use a
sauce
little
for some
soy
people,
sauce.
yes.
And if we are Jamaican, we don't have any browning. We
Make our own
burn
browning.
brown sugar.
Yes.
So hold it a little way, you know.
Yeah, put a little oil in the pot and put some brown sugar, and when it brown, you can throw a little water in it and stir it. I used to make my own browning.
So she add the brown, Mama so add the browning to it, and then she just had like the different seasoning.
Like
We use Jamaican powder seasoning. Maggi is a very good seasoning.
yes,
Complete seasoning, all purpose and all them thing there.
ginger,
Garlic and all them
just
thing
add
there.
it to taste.
Scallion. You
Yes,
can put a little cayenne pepper too.
yes.
You can cut up a little scotch bonnet pepper. Peeps, me I telling you, mama so my mind, my mama so grow me enough from here, baby, so you know it go already. Grow her foot, first son. Born in our kitchen. No, in our kitchen you have me. Yeah.
That's why I'm near the kitchen, so that's why you can cook.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Put that in my.
I'm gone in, man.
I'm gonna put this in.
Front door,
I'm gonna put this
boot. Marinate. Then I'm going to. So a food pot that mama so, oh yeah, the food pot.
Yes, it's a boil up already and stay there. Now I'm going to peel the yam and so forth.
I'm gonna use a jug here now.
Okay.
Thing about it, man, coconut and then well, if I'm eating them in the tea, then thick, then they are dry.
You never get no dry one? No, the hard one. The hard one. Oh, then dry.
Yeah.
Dry.
And thick. You know, I don't want the thing then.
You see the flesh now, the flesh of your blend, you can still blend up and make. They're almost dry.
The young one, they don't want to. Smell him there, man, up in there.
No. You have toffee, man. Alright.
time that I've got people with a customer and after I tell him if he make me know the coconut. Man, I'm sell them to dear, yo.
Yes. Don't go around and then put the people in. And then pick them and go sell them.
But them sell them for $5 and $7.
Yeah.
And they never grow up coconut.
Yes, everybody. Coconut tree.
Don't grow no damn coconut tree. Can I sell this thing for?
Yeah.
Dry.
Try out.
Right. Yeah. Keep not me show no what go on. Yes, so
Just put in the food, peeps. When it boil up again, we put in the dumpling.
yes, peeps. So, food done in.
Yeah. Boil up again, we put in the dumpling. Can't put it in yet until it start boiling.
Yeah.
It's going to be wild and versatile.
It's reality, this guy. I risk my body, risk my life to be a guy coconut. You know, I say coconut drink all. I give thanks to you, mister.
Wild and versatile. The baby put me. The mashed it. Where's the mashed it going?
Yeah, how much? Yeah, like, there's no tomato.
Peeps, see how me peel the banana them here now. You just go down like this. Cut it straight. Like this.
Some nice banana them there.
You go like this. You go like this. See? You come out clean. Come off clean, peeps. I'm gonna tuck them in the pot now.
I could show Cathy what you have in the pot already. So kick it with Cathy, big up yourself. Yeah, I make the brown stew chicken with banana dumpling, banana and carrot dumpling. Banana, carrot dumpling, sweet potato, white yam, yellow yam, corn. I have pumpkin in it too.
Yes.
And pumpkin. So see that pot a bubble. Pot a bubble. You know say later this a pot in a trouble.
This one I go wild.
Who went tell it for bubble? You know, say later on, it can a trouble.
Not great trouble.
Here. Open this, please. Drink your bottle. Drink your bottle.
You say tea? Not really, no.
You want me to drop tonight? You're going to coconut them. No, no.
So that's it? I like coconut that you just drink?
Yeah. Because then dry.
No meat?
Yeah, man, you see that?
Yeah.
Open one now, get the meat.
Never open to the night.
Here's the machete. Right here.
And tough like what? So.
Well, I see it right over there, so. Leave it. Leave it.
Wait.
Leave the coconut, them dry, look here. Hard gel, this, you know? Get little water still.
Peeps, so we make the dumpling them here. See? Carrot dumpling. Just make them small, but I make them cartwheel tonight. Big cartwheel. Just go like this. You have many ways to make it. Let me just go like this. Yeah, nigga.
Fine.
Peeps?
No, it sound like one thing to bite that.
Chicken.
No, man, they call them a yard.
What we let him?
No, man. Tony, leave that.
450.
Yeah, no. Yang.
Big it. Oh.
Yang.
Alcohol.
Hold on.
So much at you.
Carrot dumpling, peeps. Wait. Someone I go wild.
No, I don't want you to hold this one.
Versatile.
See, cook it, and it just a see in here.
It's in there?
Yeah,
No, I'm not feeling it.
it's in here. You're not feeling right here.
Pretty color. Carrot give it a nice color. The other day I make some callaloo dumpling. It's carrot. Callaloo dumpling was fantastic. Very nice. Yes. It's vegetable so I use it.
I wonder how the pineapple that looks like.
Pick and fast, Pete. Pick and fast.
I know, eh?
Pick and fast.
You never hear nothing about that.
No, sir.
You hear me, sir?
Yes.
That's what I'm talking.
Yeah.
Wait, cutlass. How can a little bike and you know, no light, you know?
Jamaica, man.
One bag of knives.
Come on, man.
Cocoa, yeah.
It's not good, dude.
You mean it's not good?
No, it's not good.
It's tough.
Good morning.
Oh. I finish make dumpling, boy.
Bring me one of them little powers.
I think that's all I'm gonna know.
And a spoon. Spoon. Let's see, Papa.
Yes, Mama, so you pot they look irie.
Yeah, this one better.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Anything over there?
Pretty, man. Pretty colors.
Oh.
Pretty color. Pink and different color, man.
Where is
Pink.
where is it? Yes, the pink in that pot. I don't pink that.
Oh,
Yellow and type of soup.
okay.
White.
Alright.
Very good.
I get another spoon of this.
Hmm? Yeah.
Come, Papa. I want this one right there.
Yes.
Don't cut no more, please.
Don't put any more. You want? I'll put them on.
Next week I'll leave it for you.
Put them on. Yes, peeps. You take off the food pot. No.
Looking good, looking good. Look the peeps.
Yeah, and then we will put on the
Wow.
Brownstew chicken. This a shipyard duck.
Mm-hmm.
Ali?
One ship duck already. Kick it with Catty.
Two in one dive.
So we do it Mama Sue style, you know?
Right.
With the brown stew there. Oh. Alright, pot gone on fire. Yes, peeps, looking good. Some nice brown stew chicken tonight.
We'll put a little oil. Grease the pot bottom. Not a lot. Grease the pot bottom.
Get away.
We love Jamaica, we not sell out. Yeah. Yeah, man, black, green, and gold, man. To the world. Yeah, peeps, so Mama Sue go put in the brown stew chicken and now. Quick and fast.
Quick and fast.
Wild and versatile. Looking lovely, mate. Big up to all of Mama Sue subscribers, them all over the world.
Respect to every aspect.
Respect to every aspect. Yeah, man, Mama Sue, you know.
Quick and fast. Quick and fast.
The boy Papita, I hope you don't sleep and left the pot tonight.
I tell you, man.
Fire under the wire.
Dog a fight.
I got fight and the pot no cook here.
Well, imagine.
You know, say, I don't know if an extension they are working. I don't know if an extension they are working.
We use that at night now.
Yeah, well, that one. That out one.
We're going to try it and see. Yes, peeps. So right now the chicken are going stew down. Mama so much so are going. Yeah, looking good, looking good.
And smell good.
Put some more fire on that wire so it steam down.
Quick and fast.
Quick and fast. And then Mama so I go blend up the beetroot and the carrot now. I'm going to make some natural beetroot and carrot drink, you know. You can put milk in it to and all type of sitting up peeps. You can milk when I make punch. You can put milk, Guinness, dragon, supplement, all type of something. Alright, now we just deal with it the natural way, you know. My mama so punch now make tonight. No sugar added, the natural way, the real way. So we deal with the thing. Beautiful moonlight tonight, peeps. Nice, cool weather outside. Beautiful night. Let me zoom in on the moon. Let me zoom in on the moon as far as possible. That's all good. Wow. See how far we zoom in, peeps. But the man when I moon, them not say one man in I moon. With one dog, I want one load of wood pan head a walk. What country people that know about that? Yeah, please, back to Mama So thing.
Yes, peeps, wild and versatile.
Mama So style, you know.
Wild and versatile. You say wild and versatile. Not put much water in the piece, you gotta put enough water for it. Very steady, go.
Yes, peeps, fire blazing and pot well hot. Pot a shot. Wow, that looks so good. So good. Why? At this fire blazing. Mama So, if in the fire never blazing, and now it a blaze. Come stir it up the Mama So. And let me deal with it for you. So kick it with Cathy. That's how we do it, you know. Outdoor cooking. Real Jamaican brown stew chicken. You see? Beautiful. And we get the whole of chicken and we cut it up. And we did have some little, we did have some chicken wing. I would just cut up some chicken wing and I'd see them. Oh my God, the heat a load. Fire in your wire. Cover it up, mama, so you go and steam down. See that boy, yes, man. Cover it up, man. Take up a sitting there for me, please. Yes, peeps, we have beetroot juice, beetroot and carrot. Thick and rich. No sugar added. Now we have coconut water. You remember that thing of coconut that I show, no? Alright, now fire still blazing. Mama so right now I make a little sauce. Show them the sauce, mama so.
It's in there, the
ketchup. Little browning and ketchup mix up. You put the butter bean in it too?
Yes.
Alright, see there? Mama so I go put one butter bean in it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Wild and versatile.
That's a Mama So style.
Yeah, I don't know nobody else style. Mama So style. And peeps, the sapati done cook already over here. So I'm sure no one go on. Look at peeps. Beautiful. Carrot dumpling, pumpkin, corn, white yam, banana, fully loaded. Yes, peeps, looking good, looking good, looking good. So the ship dock. Sheer out time, you know. Peeps, Kelly always there, man. Watch him. Kelly. My name. You're there right, I'm Mama Sue foot, my Mama Sue tap in the head, you know.
No, what's that?
Looking good, yes, lovely. Oh my gosh, Mama Sue, carrot dumpling.
Tell you no, man.
Keeps them really hard food, you know, man. Really hard food.
Looking good.
A little bit of everything, you know. Piece of yam now, white piece of yellow yam.
Yeah.
Potato. Piece of yellow yam.
Good.
Yeah, man, I mean, Chris.
Great.
Peeps with all like that little feeling there. In my mouth a while ago. Hold on, Mama, so hold on. No gravy.
Yeah.
Some of the little wing part there, Mama, so.
Okay.
Why people just can't wait. No, like you. I can't wait, mate. I can't wait, mate. Yeah, Mama, so. Yep, right. That's what I'm going to do the review. The honors. Yes, peeps, see there? Oh my gosh. Looking good, looking good. Kick it with Cathy. That's how we do it. Yes, Father God, bless and sanctify this food. Let it be purified to my body. You know, bless the hands that prepare this food. Bless the team that prepare this food. They don't know Mama So and the crew, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Well and versatile people. Where's the baby Tanika?
And this is called stew chicken.
Yeah, good.
I like them little part of the
Yeah,
wing, you know. Please make me
Let me get everything.
slide this forward. Got the carrot dumpling. Check this out, peeps. Nice. Real nice.
Stop it. I'm gonna behave myself.
Go on, start.
Behave.
Tanika, you don't go eat so much.
Yes, peeps, this is a real beetroot and thing there. Beetroot and carrot. Tasty beetroot and carrot there. Yes, refreshing. Never want no sugar. None at all. Talk to me, Miss T.
Too hot.
So peeps, big up on yourself.
Yes, peeps.
Thanks for watching as always.
Yes,
Continue to like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell.
respect.
And as Mama Suya said, respect for the aspect.
This man, wild and versatile, Mama.
So far.
Uh-huh.
So Mama Su could close it out as usual.
Yeah, man.
Mama Su keep the fire blazing. Yes, peeps. Best up on yourself. Until them time there again.
Yeah,
Respect to the aspect, you know.
See you peeps in my next video.
Bless up.